Even the biggest dreamers can be stabbed in the back, not by enemies but by the people they once trusted most. MrBeast built an empire on creativity and trust. But even empires have shadows. So what happens when someone from the inside tries to burn it all down? This isn't just a story about betrayal. It's about protecting your vision when your dream becomes too big to hide. Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast, isn't just a YouTuber. He's a visionary, running a 350-person powerhouse and producing $100 million shows for Amazon Prime. But now, he's heading to court, not to give away a prize, but to fight for the future of everything he's built. A former IT employee, Leroy Neighbors, is being accused of downloading over 1,000 confidential company files, setting up hidden cameras and stealing private data, including employee information and business strategies. The very foundation of MrBeast's empire, his ideas, his money, his people, was put at risk. And get this, the alleged spy was subcontracted through his daughter's IT firm. This isn't just a breach of security, it's a breach of trust. While the court will decide what's true, this much is clear. The higher you climb, the more valuable your secrets become. And when money, fame, and legacy are on the table, someone will always try to grab a piece, even if it means crossing the line. But this isn't Jimmy's first fire. Just months ago, he faced lawsuits from contestants claiming mistreatment on his massive reality show. He called the claims blown out of proportion. But it's clear, when you're on top, someone's always trying to pull you down. Here's the takeaway. Whether you're building a business, a brand, or a dream, guard your vision. Hire carefully. Protect your data. Watch who you let in the room, because sometimes it's not the competition that breaks you, it's your own team. But don't let fear paralyze you. Let it sharpen you. Let it make you smarter, more intentional, more focused. Because if MrBeast can rise from a laptop in his bedroom to $100 million empire and still keep fighting when the storm hits, then so can you. Build, protect, evolve. Your dream is worth defending. Thank you for joining us today. At Capture Motivation, we believe in transforming everyday moments into purposeful narratives to elevate your perspective. If you found value in this video, please like and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more transformative content.